So now example 8. Write as fractions in lowest terms. Means first we have to convert this decimal number into fraction. Then we will find out the lowest form of that fraction. Okay. So 0.04. As we know, it will be 4 divided by 1. And how many zeros we will put? The number of places after this decimal number will decide the number of zeros here. So here as 2 places are there after this decimal, so we will put 2 zeros. It is 4 by 100. Okay. Then we have to convert it to its lowest form. So to convert it to its lowest form, we will find out the HCF of 4 and 100. And HCF of 4 and 100 is, first 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 50 ja, then 2 1 ja, 2 25 ja. So HCF equal 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Okay, and we divide both numerator and denominator with this HCF. So we will get 1 divided by 25. Clear? Then second one, 2.34. So we know we will write all the numbers, then this number of zeros we will decide based on the number of places after the decimal point. So after decimal point here 2 places are there, so we can write it 0 0. Clear? If after decimal place 3 places are there, then we will write divided by 1000 like this. This one will be 342 divided by 1000 because after decimal place, after decimal number 3 places are there. Okay? Now we will focus on this one. So 2.34 equal to 34 divided by 100. Clear? Now we will find out HCF of 234 and 100. But before that, we know that this one, numerator is larger than denominator here in this case. Okay? So it is a improper fraction. So we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we can write it 2, then 34 by 100. Okay? Then we will find out HCF of 34 and 100. So 2 17 ja 250. So the HCF is 2. So we will divide numerator and denominator with 2. So we will get 2 17 divided by 50. Clear? Then next one, 0.342. I have already explained that its equivalent fraction is 342 divided by 1000 because after decimal place 3 digits are there. Now we have to find out HCF of 342 and 1000. So the HCF is 2. So we will divide both numerator and denominator with 2. So we will get 171 divided by 500. Okay.